shit. Wow.
Why would you hit my car? You did that to the front of my fucking car.
Oh yeah?
What's funny? That's my new fucking car.
Usually when you rear end people, that's not how this works. It's okay. I'm gonna call the cops real quick. But yeah, you're saying that I hit you from behind.
No, you hit me in the front of it. Remember when I was at a red light? You went in front of me and hit my car.
Oh yeah? Okay. That's cool. Probably move the car from thing and I'll call the cops for you.
And that's why you white people get all this fucking privilege with this nice ass car.
How do you know?
Bitch!
So
That's my new fucking car!
Look this. You are here and she can't shoot. You see?
Do you have where it went in or where she drove into it? Or?
You look. You were here and she can't look. You see?